Say that again.
Amaramuma.
Alabamuna.
Okay. What's up, people? What's up, Africa? What's up, America? What's up, Colorado? And what's up to all my friends and fans? Guys, it's your boy Keno. Guys, I am live here at the Aurora Shopping Center. We call it Shopping Mall. Guys, this is a beautiful place. I am here to teach people how to speak Igbo language. Guys, Igbo is a universal language, a peaceful language that people need to learn more and understand. A language that has this sweetness in it, a language that is very versatile. Guys, I still remember my humble self, Keno. Guys, I will be interviewing people live. Stay with me, don't go nowhere. We're here to do this and we will do it for good. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Keno. Guys, I am here live at the Aurora Shopping Center. I have these beautiful ladies with me and they are gonna introduce themselves. And like we all know, tonight, I will be teaching them how to speak Igbo language, the Igbo dialect from Nigeria. Are you guys ready for that?
Yeah.
So can you please tell us your name?
Talia.
Name?
Young.
Okay, Young. So we have two beautiful, amazing persons here tonight. So guys, I'm gonna teach them how to speak Igbo language. So have you guys heard about the Igbo language, like the dialect from Nigeria?
No.
Do you have Nigerian friends?
Yeah. Some, yeah.
You do?
Some.
Oh, okay. So where did you meet them? At school or what?
Yeah, I met them at school.
At school?
Yeah.
What about you?
School.
School. Okay. What do you like doing?
Sports. I do theater.
Okay. So what sports?
Flag football, volleyball, basketball.
Oh, nice. What about you?
So sometimes musical theater, but mostly acting.
Oh, acting. Oh, nice. So you want to be an actor?
Not really. Not really.
Not really?
Not really. No.
Okay. Okay. That's cool. So now we're going to say something in Igbo language. And when I say, you repeat after me and you too. Okay. So first, we're going to say the basic words in Igbo language. Okay. You say ndewo.
Ndewo.
So you're going to say kedu ka imere.
What?
So okay, let's make it sure, guys. So you say kedu
Kedu?
ka imere.
Kaime?
What's going on here?
Okay. We're gonna do the second one.
What's going on here?
Afambo.
Afambo.
That's funny. Abum onye ọma.
Wait, say that.
Abum onye ọma.
Abo enyunya.
Okay, say it. Abum onye ọma. Abum onye ọma.
Abum omo. I don't know.
Okay, that is funny, guys. That is funny. Okay, that one is very difficult, right? Okay, let's go another one. Very simple. Amaramuma.
Say that again.
Amaramuma.
Alabamuna.
Okay, so you say Amaramuma.
Wait, can you repeat that again?
Amaramuma.
Amalamuma?
Guys, okay, I really love this too. They are amazing. They're free. So to you guys, what do you guys have to say to my fans, followers, for people to subscribe with me, and what do you have to say to them?
I'm good at this. Like, comment, subscribe. For $50. Word.
Right.
Word. Make it $100. Word.
That's if you subscribe, like, and share.
That's good. That's
Into
good.
it. Up
Right.
to it.
So do you have Instagram accounts where you can tell people to follow you?
Yeah, it's _444.TAYYY.
Nice. What about
Mine
you?
is UEPHXORRIA.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. I really enjoyed this moment, being out here and meeting two beautiful damsels. Would you want to date a Nigerian?
Yeah,
If it gets to the point, yeah.
Oh,
I would. I like Nigeria.
you do? Wow. So if someone asks you to go for a trip, to go to Nigeria for a trip, what would you like to do?
I would go.
Yeah.
New experience.
Yeah.
Wow. So Nigerians, I mean, these beautiful souls here are proud of you guys. They really love you guys. And I want you guys to love them back. So Just say hi to my fans. Can you just say hi to the camera? Okay, okay. So thank you so much for this wonderful moment, and I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.